Lamka Talk and today ting na vekun chibai. Kaina host Lemkim kahia. Guest special takina ijakuna Paite paung kisang loading ahia. Sappau kisang ding ahina gen kel sakhelomale na tunga ngaidam kan ngien masa ahi. So our guest here is Rachel Sonar. Nice meeting you.
Hello.
Hello. Miss Rachel, can you tell me more about yourself?
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Miss Rachel Sonar, like she has already introduced me. And I this year participated in Miss Chavang 2021 and hold as a winner. To introduce myself, I would like to say that I'm a very simple person, and also I like to do few stuff as a hobby, like for example singing, and I also love playing music. And my aim in life is to become a social worker because I feel that life is wasted if it is not given back to the society. And I will also like to thank the organizers for this opportunity. I belong to Churchanpur village, but I have settled in Kohima, Nagaland, so it was a mixture of both the cultures, I would say, and it is really an opportunity. Thank you.
I've heard that your mother is Paite, so can you tell me about your mom and dad, and how many siblings are you, and what are you studying right now?
All right. My mom belongs to Paite community, and her name is Rangkung Paite, and actually my mom belongs to Churchanpur village, like I said earlier, and she has settled in Kohima, Nagaland. It was definitely a love marriage because I'm a cocktail of two community. My dad belongs to Gorkha community, and my mom is Kuki Paite community. And recently I graduated from Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi.
Can you tell me about your age and your plan for the future?
Okay. My age is 26 years, and like I said in the introduction, I really want to be a social worker in the future. I have two postgraduate degree. One is in clinical psychology, so I would also like to pursue that further as a clinical psychologist. And anything I feel that is social work is when you step in front and help anybody, and that is social work for me. So even if it is not big, we can help every individual little way, in our little way. That is also social work, and that is what I plan to do in the future, and hopefully by God's grace I would love to achieve that.
Okay.
So we are 6 in a family. My elder brother, he is a pensioner, like a government service, and another brother is also, he came with me, along with me, and then one brother is assistant professor in Delhi University. And I think 6 siblings we are.
What motivates you to be beauty pageant?
First of all, it was definitely a dream come true. It was a childhood dream. I would rather say that I wanted to participate and represent womanhood in the society, and especially when we talk about beauty pageant, I feel that it's very secreted by the society, and it is also an opportunity given by the organizers, and they believe in us and provide us with such great opportunities so we could participate. I wanted to be an example that yes, women can also step out, and they can be both. They can present beauty as well as they can also be a great woman in the future. So that was the main motivation of participating in beauty contests such as this, and I'm thankful for the opportunity.
In your opinion, what is the status of women in a society?
Women, I must say there is a great improvement in women empowerment, but I feel like this can also mean that we have to put ourselves first if we want to talk about women empowerment. Even if you see that in the society, women. But I feel that, women have come much farther than previous years. I feel like it is much better. We are doing much better. So one quote I would like to say to answer that, I feel that I'm proud to be a woman, and I feel that we are no lesser than a man.
Yeah, that's a great point. Have you ever thought of winning this big Miss Chavang Northeast?
I would just like to mention about God here. I started there was no idea, like specific idea, that I would participate and be a winner in this show, but then I would definitely like to thank God. He is the one who motivated me, and then He unleashed my potential. He made me realize that I am beautifully made by Him, and I'm very thankful for this that he motivated me especially. And then yes, it was also a dream come true. Yeah.
What about your family? Were they supportive?
Like I mentioned, beauty is secreted in the society, right? But I think my family has been a great support, I must say. Like even now, they are with me. They came here with me for the interview.
So your family all came here in Lamka?
Yeah, they came in Lamka.
Are you familiar with Lamka, or is it your first time visiting Lamka?
No, it is not my first time. I keep on coming here because I have relatives, great relatives in Lamka as well. And then I think they have presented me these few traditional attires. I used them in this Miss Chavang, and fortunately I won that. One of my uncle, I think I have my mom's brothers. They are my mom's brother. And then yeah, we do have relatives here. We keep on coming in Lamka.
How often do you visit Lamka?
Till now, I think 2-3 times we have done that. Since we stay a little far, right, in Kohima, and we have a very busy schedule, so we try to come in holidays, and especially when there is function at our place in Lamka.
Then what is your impression of Lamka?
It is a great place, I must say, but I must also mention this, that as compared to Kohima, Lamka is a little warmer in terms of temperature.
Is there any title you've achieved so far?
No, this is going to be my first time, and I'm very thankful for the opportunity they have provided. They have trusted us and given us this opportunity. Even if it was a virtual contest and 16 of us participated, we had a great experience and moments. So yeah, this is actually my first time, and I think it's the best, I must say.
Is there any advice that you can give to the younger generation for those who want to become like you?
Yeah, I would like to say, always believe in your hard work. Always believe in the talent, the determination and the courage you have. I am definitely representing those girls who think less of themselves, but tries their best to move on and be an independent woman. And I also would like to say a quote by Albert Einstein. He said that the person who believes in our dreams is more powerful than those with facts. So this is what I would like to end and say to the younger generations, to believe in themselves.
In the beauty pageant, what is your opinion or impression about the organization?
I feel like, every person who is working in this organizing team, in front or behind, they put their hard work. And I feel like this is where we stand, that because of their hard work, we stand here, and then, our dreams also come true and becomes a memory for every one of us. So I feel like this is a great work they do, the organizers especially, and I'm thankful actually. And
let's get into about your makeup or your outfit. Is it sponsored, or do your makeup yourself?
The makeup is done by Guni Kipkan, and then he, I think, did a very wonderful job in my makeup, I feel like. And the organizers, I think the dress is provided by myself. I mean, my parents, they helped me with the dress. But then I think the design they helped me with. I sent them through pictures, and then they really helped me with the design thing. So yeah, that's about, I think.
How many contestants are there?
Okay, there are 16 contestants, and I must say those were very beautiful girls, as well as great. They had great personalities. It wasn't so easy to win them, right? Like few of them were already beauty pageant holders. So yeah, I must say they were great.
Other than this, Miss Chavang Northeast, what is your plan for the future?
I feel like the only thing I would say to this is my main aim right now is to try out new things and do my best in whatever I do. So it is a very hypothetical question, but I would say that it's God's plan, and if He permits, I will definitely go forward with whatever I want. And it's actually a great question. Thank you.
You have mentioned earlier that you want to be a social worker. What motivates you to be a social worker?
Actually, I feel that, like I mentioned in the introduction, life is wasted if it's not given back to the society, and I feel like we are all living a monotonous life, I feel like, and then it will be meaningless if we are not able to give back to the society, because the society has given us so much. So this is the main motivation. And also, if I do further with this social work, I would like to work especially amongst the children, because I feel that they are the ones who is the future generation, and I would really like to contribute in this area.
Let's talk about your childhood. Okay. Which institution did you grow up studying?
Okay, so till class 10, which is high school, I studied in Fernwood School, which is in Kohima, Nagaland. And for my higher secondary, I have gone to Jiru International School. And then for my college, I have done my graduation in Gargi College, Delhi University, in psychology, applied psychology, and also have a postgraduate degree in the same subject, and also did my linguistic study from JNU, Delhi.
So that means you took break from your education and you participated in the beauty pageant.
Actually, I completed my post-graduation recently, this year, 2021. So, yeah, there is no break.
Since you're from Nagaland and you've come often to Manipur, is there any difference in Manipur in terms of development?
I would definitely say there is an improvement in roads. I will feel like in both the states, I feel there is 4-lane road made in Nagaland. And also while coming in 6 hours journey to Manipur, we felt that the road condition is much better. And apart from that, as per Nagaland, I feel like it is improving. And also for Manipur, I think it's improving their future scope. And apart from that, I would say that both belongs to 7th state, Northeast state, and both are beautiful in their own ways.
And you mentioned that they were great women. You have come together from different states. So what is your experience from the competition? What have you learned?
I must say that those were very beautiful girls, first of all. And they all had their own fighting story. And then what I have learned from them is they were definitely confident. And then they had their unique individuality. And I feel like from each I just picked one, and then I could find that they were great people, first of all. And then that's what I think I would say for this.
Did you have any difficulty throughout the competition?
Throughout the competition, I will say that especially if this was an online contest, so we had to go a little outdoor to take the videos and all. But then I think it was a smooth ride, because the organizers were doing their job and we were also doing our job in our own way, participating, giving our best. So I think it went smoothly. I enjoyed it and I built great memories.
Earlier you have mentioned that your mother is Paite, right? Is there any Paite language you know? Can you tell?
I must say for that, it is difficult to say, because I would say no for that, because it's a cocktail of both communities, and like I said, I settled in Kohima, Nagaland, so language is always the first thing we learned in an environment, right? So that wasn't provided as far as I know.
So is there any language you want to learn?
I did linguistics in JNU, and I think one language that I would love to learn is Hebrew, because I feel it is also close to Kuki as a community is from Manasseh group, right? So particularly focusing on that, I would love to learn Hebrew.
Since your mother is Paite, have you ever communicated with your mother in Paite language?
We did try to communicate, like 1-2 words. We did connect, but actually she has also forgotten few of the Paite language. But then that's what happens, when you are when there's a love marriage and when you're settled in some different state. So that's a disconnect, I think, especially when you talk about language. So that's what happened to us actually.
Since you're half Paite, I will teach you some Paite language for your viewers, especially for your viewers. Repeat after me, okay?
Definitely.
Lamka Talk and Dute Ting Ting.
Lamka Talk and Dute Ting Ting.
Natungwa. Kipatu. Kahon Gen. Kakipak. Yeah. Kakipak. To conclude our interview, is there anything you want to say to the viewers?
I would definitely like to say that this is a great experience, and especially those girls who dream of participating in beauty pageant, you should definitely step forward and participate, because it not only builds you as a person and an individual, but it builds you, motivates you, and builds your confidence. And it is a great opportunity provided by the organizers. I'm very thankful for that. And then it is everyone's hard work. So I would say that believe in yourself and always believe in your hard work. And last but not the least, I would like to give blessings to everybody's family. Stay safe, and then yeah, thank you.
Thank you for your time. This will be the ending of our interview. Tuna Paite pau in kon pau tadinga interview zo na ahita and today ting tunga kon geno pahiale Hiai Miss Chavang Kud Northeast 2021 pin non-profit organization Mizo Koki Instagram page te saya Hiai pen could promote nang ahia ma animi mal hampat nang ahi tuam kea Hiai bang thilon sai theu atunga ki pa thu again Lamka Talk and today ting na vekun omnuam.